Answers to your burning questions following the new Netflix documentary Depp v. Heard. Netflix is revisiting the live-streamed He Said, She Said controversy that captivated not just a nation but also what seemed to be the entirety of social media in just 14 months after the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp defamation trial concluded. Heard, 37, and Depp, 60, engaged in a civil court battle over Heard's allegations that Depp had subjected her to domestic abuse in an opinion piece she wrote for The Washington Post in 2018. Depp filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit even though she didn't mention him and Heard. His ex-wife filed a $100 million countersuit. Viewers rushed to social media for weeks, from the beginning of the hearing in April to its conclusion in June, to analyze the testimony, evidence, and legal teams. They generally supported Depp and mocked Heard. The three-part Depp v. Heard series, which is currently available for streaming, looks at the backlash against Heard and weaves the testimony of the former partners together so that viewers may hear each version of a significant blow-up back-to-back. When Heard and Depp fell in love while filming the Hunter S. Thompson novel-based 2011 movie The Rum Diary, their love story appeared to be headed in a positive direction. She seemed to be the ideal partner, literate, kind, and amusing, Depp testified from the courtroom in Fairfax, Virginia. They were married in 2015. "You know, there wasn't any love like that," said from the platform, and after that, he would vanish. Although violent disagreements between the two were captured on audio and video and aired in court, Depp swore he never physically assaulted Heard. Following the documentary, you can have the following inquiries. Heard's attorney Elaine Bredehoff stated during a June 2022 appearance on Today that she opposed courtroom cameras because of the sensitive nature of the case. She claimed that broadcasting it made it a zoo. She was correct, too. For online pundits, the live feed offered never-ending material. According to Camille Vasquez, Depp's attorney, Depp demanded cameras during a July 2022 interview with CBS Mornings. She explained to Gayle King that for Johnny, it was about being able to finally share his tale. These are heinous accusations that have been leveled against him. He had to be able to share his tale. Therefore, it was crucial. Depp sued the Sun's publisher in vain after a 2018 piece referred to him as a wife-beater. In a ruling issued in November 2020, Justice Andrew Nicol stated that the great majority of the alleged assaults by Mr. Depp on Ms. Heard have been proven to the civil standard. Nicol asserted that he thought Depp had assaulted Heard 12 times at home. What did Depp's team take out from this, then? During her Today interview, Bredehoff posed the question. Demonize Amber and hide the facts. We had a ton of evidence that was permitted in the UK case but was suppressed in this case. Whitney Henriquez, Heard's sister, is the only person to have claimed to have seen Depp physically assault Heard. One piece of information, however, would have further supported Heard's assertions but was not made available to the jury. After an alleged incident in which Depp allegedly kicked Heard to the ground on a flight from Boston to Los Angeles in 2014, Deuters, Depp's former aide, allegedly texted Heard. But in the Virginia courtroom, the text messages that had been admitted in the UK trial were not allowed. The texts of Deuter were deemed hearsay.